Hello, veg heads, and welcome to the Veggie Veteran. If this is your first time joining, welcome to the show. This is episode 2 of our basic series for the show. The basics are building block recipes that I use in countless dishes. Today, we will be making spicy brown mustard or deli mustard. Making your own mustard is a super simple process, does not take much time, and will taste better than any mustard you buy in the store. You will need a medium bowl and a grinder. You're going to get 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard seed, a quarter tablespoons of brown mustard seed, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 1/4 teaspoons of Himalayan salt or sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. First, what we will do is grind up the mustard seeds. Go ahead and pour in the seeds as well as the turmeric to the grinder and grind away. We want this as fine as possible. The finer and more powdery this is, the better your mustard is going to be in the end. Dump your mustard powder into your bowl, then add your vinegar and your salt. I like to use an emulsion blender to mix this up, but you can use a whisk or a spatula too. Add about half your water and start mixing. You want this mix to be a bit watery and runny. The mustard powder will soak up the liquid and expand and thicken up considerably. Now, this recipe is one I developed over many versions, and it tastes similar to the Golden's mustard brand. I would encourage you to play around with the amounts. More brown mustard seeds will make it more spicy and hot. More vinegar will make it a bit more tart. Maybe try it without the turmeric. Experiment and make it yours. Once everything is well combined, pour into a jar. When you put your lid on, do not tighten it down. We are going to be leaving this jar out on the counter for anywhere from about 4 to 7 days. Check your mustard daily and give it a stir. After sitting out on the counter, close up your lid and stick in your fridge. Easy, simple homemade mustard. A quick tip, this mustard will not taste good immediately. It requires time to sit and ferment and soak. After the 4 to 7 days, though, it will taste better than any spicy mustard you could buy. Hope everyone enjoys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.